Are you looking for a business that is always in demand, low cost to start, and profitable in the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and other developed countries? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start a handyman and home repair service even if you are a complete beginner. If you want real business ideas that work in real life, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's begin. The handyman and home repair market is booming. Here's why. People are busy. Homes, apartments, and rentals always need repairs. And customers prefer reliable professionals for small jobs, from fixing doors and faucets to installing shelves and painting walls. Handyman services are in constant demand every season. You can offer many services, such as small plumbing fixes, furniture assembly, drywall and patch repair, painting and staining, minor electrical work, TV mounting and shelf installation, door and lock repair, home maintenance and improvement. Start with simple tools like a drill, screwdrivers, wrenches, hammer, tape measure, level, saw, tool bag. You can start for $300 to $1,500 depending on your toolkit. Handyman rates are strong in developed countries. Average pricing, $40 to $80 per hour in the USA, $40 to $70 per hour in Canada and Australia, 25 to 50 pounds per hour in the UK. You can also offer fixed pricing for small tasks and monthly home maintenance packages for recurring income. Use these platforms to get clients fast. Facebook Marketplace, local Facebook groups, TaskRabbit, Gumtree, Google Business Profile. Upload before and after photos. Show your work. Customers choose who they trust. Be on time, communicate clearly, keep your word, and after every job, request a review. Good reviews are gold. They bring more customers than any advertisement. Once you get regular bookings, offer more home repair services. This business can grow from $3,000 to $6,000 per month to $10,000 to $20,000 per month or more in developed countries. Canva for flyers and branding, Google Calendar for bookings, Square or PayPal for payments, Trello for job tracking, Instagram and TikTok for marketing. And that is your complete guide to starting a handyman and home repair service. It is always in demand, low risk, and highly profitable in developed countries. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.